Hey guys, so it's been a while. Yeah, I don't even know how long it's been for you had an update. So I thought I would make a short little video. I'm here late, uh, ish. So yeah, but as you already know, we're really busy. So I just wanted to show these new vices I got with this 0 point. This is the shunk Vero S, and can't remember the name of the vices. These are very nice with some talon grips. Can grip on 3 mm. Really, I'm really happy with them. This is bought for the new 5-axis mill, but it's been delayed, so I'm still waiting for it. It sucks very much. I'm doing some pretty annoying stainless parts today. But yeah, you have seen the shop after we moved. Nothing new, really. I still got the old LG30, and I'm running a big trip panning tool, like my Finnish brother, Sumpa, I think that's his name. This is a Chinese replica of the Sandvik. Oh, and by the way, I got a new phone. That's why I can record again. My old phone was camera was busted. So you can see this is the slug. This is some 4118 stainless. We're doing a lot of these. So instead of drilling everything out with a big U-drill, I bought this. I've been making these for quite a few years, almost now. So I thought it would be better to just punch the hole in the big lathe and then turn them on the smaller lathe after the hole. So this, you can't get this material in tube, yeah, thick wall tube. So I'll show you the next operation. We do it on the LB15. You can see, yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. Yeah, stainless steel. The parts themselves ain't too complicated, but the tolerances, they're crazy. Yeah, you can see I've been sharpening a lot of stainless steel for this job. This is only half of it, I think. So, and the LU15, we had a lot of problems with it, but I hope we're done with it, and I'm very happy with it. Having 2 turrets is so nice. I can't believe how nice it is. But we got a new DMG lathe on the way. It will be here in June, I hope. So we'll be switching out the LB15. You can see this is the material after we poured it. It leaves a pretty nice finish. So this is after the first up. A lot of material removed. And this is it's doing okay, but this old LB is getting very tired. So and we're having so much problems programming it and getting it up and running. So we need some new machines. So Lars, my employee, I hired one. I hired him in December. He's making these. He's running the lathes, and we installed a little cleaning where we can clean our parts in some industrial soap. Very nice when you are making plastic and stainless steel parts. Yeah. And the saw is running. And oh, by the way, I got a new forklift. The old one took a shite. And we are very happy with it. Yeah, this is one of the more simpler jobs, but I'm so busy at the mill. But this saw is so nice. I can't believe I lived so many years without a proper auto saw. And believe it or not, Lars got the Vedevåg drill sharpener up and running, and he's using it a lot on both high-speed steel drills and carbide drills. So we're very happy with it. Yeah. So as you can see, the new office and programming room is done. Turned out nice. We can have all the metrology stuff in here, keeping it clean from the dust. Also having the computers kept clean. And having a little TV when we watch Formula 1. So yeah, as you can see, nothing really new. I was supposed to get the 5-axis mill a month ago, still waiting on it. So let's hope I'll get some good news soon. It will be around here. Yeah, next to the other CMX. So, and the CLX 450 V6, it's a lathe with sub spindle and U-axis. We bought 10 live tools for it, and yeah, everything we could for it. So we'll be looking forward to getting that. I'm looking very much forward to try Cinemeric for turning. So yeah, nothing new. So just thought I would do a quick little update on the shop. So I hope everyone is great and busy like us. So see ya.